Good morning, dear students. Today we will do a lab activity given in your lab manual to identify the different layers of soil. We have studied in the chapter soil that the soil, it is made up of different particles like gravel, sand, silt, clay and humus. So today we will do the activity, a simple activity to identify the different layers of soil. So for this activity, what is the first step? We have to collect sample of soil from the garden or from the park and take the sample of soil in the glass having water. Then we have to stir the water and stir the mixture, and then we keep the glass for few hours. We left the glass undisturbed for few hours, and after few hours what we will observe? We will observe that the different layers, the different particles, they settle down in different layers. So the different layers from bottom to the brim can be seen like this. Now see, in the glass, the bottom layer is made up of stone, pebbles. The heavier particles, they settle down at the faster rate and they collect at the bottom of the glass. After then, the second layer from the bottom, the second layer is made of sand particles having coarse soil. So the second layer is of the sand particles having coarse soil. Then the third layer is of the silt, and silt, it is a mixture of sand and clay. So the silt, it is a mixture of sand and clay, and it is found just above the layer of sand, right? So the silt, it can be found on the bottom of the river beds or of the ponds. After then, we can see the clay particles which remain suspended in the water, and due to this, the water, it is not clear. It is the water is muddy with clay particles deposits or dissolved in the water, right? And after then, the surface, at the surface we can see the humus, the dead leaves, the animal remains, plant and animal remains which float on the surface of the water. So in this way we can see the different layers of soil. The lower layer is the gravel and it has the size more than 2.0 mm. Then is the sand particles. The size of the sand particles varies from 0.2 millimeter to 2.0 millimeter. Then the third layer is of silt having particle size ranging between 0.002 millimeter to 0.2 millimeter. Then are the clay particles having size less than 0.002 millimeter. And then the last layer, the top layer, is of the humus which has the floating material and they float on the surface of the soil. So from this activity we can conclude that the soil has different layers. The soil is made up of different layers: gravel, sand, silt, clay and humus. So I hope that you have understood the activity and read this activity from your lab manual. Okay, thanks.